Okay, so guys, we're going to do adding and subtracting fractions today. The reason why I'm doing adding and subtracting at the same time is basically the same rule, but you just add for adding and subtract for subtracting. So this question over here, 3 basic steps. All you do, multiply the numerators, the denominators, so 5 times 7 is 35. Then cross multiply, 4 times 7 is 28, plus 5 times 2 is 10. Add numerators, 38 over 35. Now that's your final answer. If the question says simplify, then simplify. So as you can see, this is a improper fraction. You can watch my last video on mixed numbers and improper fraction to learn about that. So how many times does 35 go into 38? 1, remainder 3, denominator stays the same. Okay, next one, same process, but instead of this add, we're going to put take away. So first step, multiply the denominators. 8 times 10, 80. Second step, cross multiply, but always start with this one. So 3 times 10 is 30, minus 8 times 1 is 8, so I get 22 over 80. Now I can simplify, so 2 goes into 22 and 80, so divide by 2, I get 11. 80 divided by 2, I get 40. And that's my final answer. Now, when you have mixed numbers, convert them to improper fractions first. So this one, 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 becomes 22 over 5, plus 8 times 2 is 24, plus 1, 25 over 8. Okay, and then the same steps. So multiply the denominators, which gives us 40, cross multiply, 22 times 8, so 20 times 8 is 160, plus 16, 176, plus 25 times 5 is 125, which gives us an answer of 301 over 40. Now I can still simplify that. So how many 40s go into 301? That would be 7, remainder 21 over 40. Now I can't simplify this little fraction over here because there's no number that goes into 21 and 40. Now sometimes you might have a question that has 3 fractions that you have to add. So in this case, let's make the denominator the same. Just think in your head, what number does 10, 5 and 20 go into? And that is 20. Okay, so then I say to myself, what did I do to the 10 to get 20? I multiplied it by 2, so I do the same to the top. So for that one I get 8. For this one I times it by 4, do the same to the top. 2 times 4 is 8 again. So plus, remember to put whatever signs here, so plus 8. And then the last one I times it by 1, so do the same to the top, so that stays the same. Add the numerators, so you get 16, 19 over 20. Okay,